Hello guys, let's solve this problem. We will read some number n from the keyboard, like 19,091, and find out if the number is palindromic. The number is considered palindromic if it can be read the same from the both ends. So if you read from left to the right or right from the left, you get the same number. So we print out yes. But for this number, when you read from left to the right, you read 8,904, but when you read from the right to the left, you'll read 4,098, which is not a palindromic number. That's why we will print out no. Solve the problem. What we have to do, we get the number, we reverse it, and then we will check if the reverse number is equal to the initial number. If they are the same, it means that it is a palindromic number. So you see that this number is actually equal to the reverse number, but this number is not equal to the reverse number. So first of all, I will include my IO stream, and then I'll type using namespace std and int main, and of course we don't forget to return 0. So what we have to do, first we have to reverse the number. So suppose that we have a number like 5065, we must reverse it to 5605. To reverse a number, first we must get the last digit of the number. So we got it that way, and by the way, we must have another variable, a new number, which will be the reverse of my number x, so which will be 0 at the beginning, and I get the last digit of my initial number, and I will add it to this, and on the next run I will multiply the number itself by 10 so that I could move the digit to the left. So I multiply n by 10, so 0 multiplied by 10 will be 0, and then I will get the last digit of this number, which is 5, and I will add it to it, and it will be 5. And after doing that operation, I must eliminate this last digit so that the next one I will be dealing with 6 as last digit. So to eliminate the last digit of a number, you would multiply the integer number by 10. So if you divide. So if you divide 5065 by 10 as an integer, you would get 506. So the next time in my run, in the loop, I have my n as 5 and x as 506, and I'll repeat this operation. I multiply my number n by 10, which will be 50, and I will get the last digit of my number x, and then I will add them up, and it will be 56. So after doing it, I will eliminate the last digit of my number 506 by dividing it by 10, and I will get 50. So in my next run of the loop, I will have my n as 56 and my x as 50, and I will repeat this operation. I will repeat this operation until I have nothing in my number x. When my number x is 0, I will quit the loop. So let's do it. I will have my variable n, and I will read my variable n from the keyboard, and let's say that I will have another number m, which will be a new number, and it will be 0. So my number n is some big number, so I will continue eliminating the digit of the number n until it's 0. So while n is bigger than 0, I'll say that m is equal to m multiplied by 10 plus the last digit of my number n. And after doing it, I must eliminate the last digit of my number n. But the problem is here, if I continue eliminating the last digit of my number n, I will lose my number when it becomes 0. So let's get the copy of my number at the beginning. So after reading my number n, I will say that copy is equal to n. So I get the copy of my number n. And then after the while loop, I would like to check if m, the new number, the reverse new number m, is equal to the copy of n. Since the copy never changed, I have the initial number n here. If it is, I will print out yes. If it's not, I will print out no. Let's try it. So if the number is some number like this, it is a palindromic number. But if I have such a number, it's not a palindromic number. That's it.